Hello, I welcomes you to my YouTube channel Alexis Rios Sastro. Today I will show you how to synchronize or adjust the teeth of the Bold Singer sewing machine model 15C. First we check the operation of this machine. Place a piece of fabric and lower the presser. We can appreciate that the fabric is not displaced. The fault that is presenting is that the teeth or the comb are very below the plate. We turn the machine over to create its mechanism on the below part. This screw is the one that controls the height of the teeth above the plate. Here we can see that this screw is completely loose. When this screw is loosened, the teeth remain below the iron and the fabric does not advance. Here we appreciate the teeth that are well below the iron. The correct thing is that they protrude about 1 millimeter above it. Here we can see that when the machine is running, the teeth barely protrude and do not have enough grip to move the fabric. To synchronize the teeth of the machine, the first thing we do is place this lever in the lower part. It controls the length of the stitch. Then we place the teeth in the front part of the iron. We do this by turning the flywheel of the machine. We completely loosen this screw that is to graduate the teeth. Here we see that this piece moves freely up and down. Here you can see that this axis does not move when moving this piece. It means that here are the teeth above and here they are below. We are going to carry out the graduation in this form. Here the teeth are at the top. We calculate that they protrude above the planchuela by approximately 1 millimeter. Then we tighten this screw tightly. We continue with the test of the machine to see that the teeth are working correctly. We place the iron. We raise the presser foot to place the fabric and we lower it. We run the machine. We see that it is working perfectly. The teeth drag the fabric without any problem. With this recoil lever we finish off and it does so without any problem. I hope you liked this video and it has helped you to repair your machine when you have this problem. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that I announce each time I upload a new tutorial. Thank you very much.